This is a classic example where the wording hides a trap. If you don't read carefully, you will lose marks. Let's go through it together. The Earth has a radius r. A satellite is placed in orbit at a height h equals to r/4 above the Earth's surface. That's a trap. It doesn't mean the orbit radius is r/4. It means the radius is r, the radius of the planet, plus r/4, the height, which gives us 5/4r. Always remember to highlight phrases like above the surface. That's where examiners try to catch you. The question asks for the ratio of gravitational force at two different positions. Let's put down the equation for gravitational force. At the surface of the Earth, F equals to gmm over r squared. At height h, the force equals to gmm over 5/4r squared. To find the ratio, we just need to divide one by the other. Terms cancel out, and then we get the final ratio, 25/16. Let's have a quick recap. The key takeaway of this lesson is whenever you see phrases like height above the surface, remember to add the height to the planet radius. That way you get the correct orbit radius and avoid this very common trap.